Hundreds of EAs and VAs are earning 90k a month for knowing how to use AI properly. Here's how you can join them. You see, most assistants still use AI like some fancy Google search, while the ones getting hired into senior remote roles are using it to run entire workflows. That's exactly why we built Pearl AI Plus, an AI school made specifically for EAs and VAs. Let me give you the rundown. Alright, Track A teaches you the fundamentals, how AI thinks, how to prompt it so it doesn't give you generic garbage, and the QA checks that flag what AI usually gets wrong the first time around. Track B is where it gets interesting. It walks you through turning Claude into your own chief of staff. You connect it to your Gmail, your Notion, your Slack, and your calendar, and then you schedule tasks that just run on their own, like your morning brief, your inbox triage, your weekly review, all running in the background while you sleep. Finish Track B and you walk away with an official certificate, plus a portfolio you can send straight to a recruiter showing what your AI system does and how much time it saves. Track C is optional, but it's for the people who want to go full builder mode and start automating actual workflows with code. So if you're ready to stop being the VA who worries about AI and start being the one who runs it, save this and sign up for Pearl AI Plus in our bio. Applications are open right now, and there's a hiring bonus on top for everyone who completes this course.